G'day, Cindy here, coming to you live from the shed for another great Mind Garage session. Hello to all you beautiful people out there in internet land. I've got my power tools, my ladder, my lawnmower. Let's get into it. Let's talk about distractions, shall we? It's so common to hear, and it's a bit of a buzzword at the moment, that our phones and our internet and social media are incredible distractions. But that's not so much what it's about. It's really got nothing to do with the internet and social media. They are purely the tools by which you allow yourself to be distracted. You have been distracted by many things in your life. And what does that mean, distraction? It means taking your awareness, your torch of awareness, your current conscious mind, and allowing it to go like this. I'll get my torch to show you. If this is your focus, like a torch, look at that, it's a big girl's blouse torch, isn't it? This is your mind, this is you with distraction. Oh, I'm over there, and now I'm over here. Oh, now I'll go over here. I'm talking to a friend, and now I'll check my phone. Oh, and there's another conversation going on there. Oh, there's a bird, I'll listen to that. Oh, here comes my coffee. Oh, how are my shoes? Oh, my back's a little bit sore. Oh. And your mind just goes, or your focus just goes, here, 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 here. When it should be on your friend. You should be listening to the conversation and nothing else. Just staying fully present with them instead of going and dancing around all over the bloody shop. But because we haven't practiced concentration, it's really tough thing to do for your mind. It needs to be trained. And that's what all these meditation and mindfulness activities are about. They are training your brain to shine your torch, your awareness, your focus on just one thing at a time. And in relationships, how often is it that you actually sit down with a good friend and they give you 100% of their focus? They actually truly listen and are fully present for you there. Practicing your mindfulness tasks actually teaches you to concentrate for short periods of time and gradually extend those out. And mindfulness tasks require practice. They are incredibly simple, but they are not easy. It's a bit like exercise. I don't know about you, but I exercise regularly. And when I do exercise, it's never that easy. It's always challenging and it's always uncomfortable because I'm trying to push myself to that next level. Meditation and mindfulness tasks are just like that. Every day that I practice my meditation, and I do the same simple meditation and have done for many, many years, it's purely about bringing my brain into focus. It's a practice. That's why I believe so many people don't continue it, because it's uncomfortable, it requires discipline, and it requires routine. I'll talk to you a little bit more about that, how you can switch into and get into a routine of being fully focused. Here's my torch.